Here's a new 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Steering assist cruise control, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, continuously variable automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, inductive device charging, streaming audio, active grille shutters, four-wheel drive, and inline four-cylinder engine. Get into something different. Mitsubishi has what you're looking for. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.